Hello? Now? Oh, yeah, I'm ready. I'll be there. Bye. Okay. I'm good. No, I won't be late. I know exactly what I'm going to wear. Yeah, it's a miracle, right? See you in 10 minutes. Okay, bye. Okay, so pants. Where are those pants? Okay, well, the shirt. Where's that shirt? Why is everything I own black? I can't find anything.
La la la, la la.
Who are you? Is this really me? Or is this who others want me to be? Would I still be the same person if I had not lived my life exactly as I did? Oh, I have a pimple here. Ew. I need time. Love. I need space. This is it. Ain't no bit of money, what I wanna do about my destiny. I say no, no. Wake up! Wake up! Wanna bumble with the bee, huh? Bzz, throw a hex on your whole family. Woo! Woo! Where are my keys? Where are my keys? My keys, my keys, my keys. Shit. Oh, I'm early. All right. Yeah, I'm going to that party. At 8 o'clock, right? Yeah. No, I'm gonna start getting ready. Right now. Yeah. See ya!